one more time. There's nothing harder than trying to make a movie anywhere near boats or water, because everything moves and everything's floating and the sun's moving and the wind and the currents and all those things.
It's a logistical nightmare, for crying out loud. But it was, I mean, it was summertime. It was South Carolina. The water was warm. And it was all the shrimp you could eat.
There's a scene where Lieutenant Dan and Forrest are caught out in a shrimp boat in a hurricane, and he climbs to the top of this masthead and challenges God to sink this boat.
It's time for a showdown! You and me!
Sometimes it's a lot of fun when you bring an actor out when you gotta do a scene like in a hurricane, because it doesn't really read as dramatically as when they step out on the set.
Every time I show up at the set, it's like, this is a lot bigger than I thought it was, Bob.
Typically, when you do a hurricane scene, it's usually done inside a soundstage, and they build a fake boat. And we did it all on a real boat, on real water, and we did it in one night. We had these giant water mortars and rain, giant jet engine to create the wind.
He was telling me about it. Oh, it's coming great. We got this jet engine.
Tom, do you know what to do?
I'll probably be pretty much into it as soon as you turn on the jet engine. I'll probably...
Okay. And action!
It was fun. It was difficult night, but an important scene.
You'll never sink this